So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix ask to buy not receiving on iPhone, family sharing notification and fix. So fix 1 is check internet connection. Ensure both parent and child device are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Consider switching network if issues persist. A poor network connection can block notification. Fix 2 is update iOS on both devices. Navigate to setting then journal then software update. Install the latest update on both devices. Outdated iOS may prevent ask to buy from functioning properly. Third fix is check notification setting. Navigate to setting then select notification. Choose app store or messages. Enable allow notification. Configure lock screen, banner and notification center option. Fourth fix is check family sharing setting. Open setting on your device, then tap on your Apple ID, select family sharing, ensure the child account is added. Confirm that ask to buy is turned on. Fifth fix is verify Apple ID. Navigate to setting and select your name. Then confirm that the same Apple ID is used for family sharing and purchases. Using different Apple ID may result in request not reaching you. Seventh fix is turn ask to buy off and on. Open the setting app on your device, tap on family, select the individual you want to manage, tap on ask to buy. Enable the require purchase approval option if it is not already turned on. Thanks for watching.